Today we're talking about a simple, effective way to deal with dry, wrinkled hands, especially in the winter when the air is dry and your skin takes a hit. Most people reach for hand lotion right away, but here's the thing. Whatever you put on your skin doesn't just sit there. Some of it gets absorbed, and a lot of products out there contain petroleum-based ingredients and harsh chemicals that can actually make dryness worse over time. They strip away the natural oils and fat-soluble vitamins your skin needs. Now add to that tap water. Chlorine and other chemicals can be very drying, and if you're washing your hands frequently, which you should, you're also washing away your skin's natural protective barrier. That's why your hands start feeling tight, irritated, even cracked. There's another piece most people don't think about. Your skin has its own microbiome, beneficial bacteria, and even fungi that help protect and maintain it. When you constantly use harsh soaps and chemicals, you disrupt that balance, and your skin becomes more vulnerable. Also, your skin naturally has a slightly acidic pH. If you keep using products that are too alkaline, you can trigger irritation, dryness, and inflammation. And one more important point, your skin reflects what's going on inside your body. Diet matters. Too much sugar, processed foods, and poor quality fats can accelerate skin aging and dryness. So what actually helps? First, reduce what's damaging your skin. Limit harsh products, avoid unnecessary chemicals, and protect your hands. For example, wear gloves if you're working with soil or cleaning agents. Second, restore what your skin is missing, especially fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Here's a simple home remedy that works really well. Take 1 egg yolk, just the yolk, not the white. It's rich in healthy fats and vitamins your skin can use. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. It has anti-inflammatory properties and helps support the skin's natural balance. Then add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This provides healthy fats and deeply nourishes the skin. Mix it all together until smooth, then apply it to your hands. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Don't rush to wash it off. Give your skin time to absorb it. After that, rinse with warm water. The best time to do this is in the evening, before bed, so your hands can recover overnight without constant washing. You only need to do this about twice a week. At the same time, keep the basics in place: gentle soaps, protection for your hands, and decent nutrition. If you stay consistent, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, less irritated, and overall healthier. Subscribe to the channel and stay healthy.